Hello，大家好啦。咁咧，呢個咧就係我 flatmate 啦，taskmate 啦。咁今日咧就同大家講呢個咩啊？係啊，呢個英文啦。咁通常咧啲人咧，因為我去到外國咧，就好多人就問啲英文唔知點解啦。咁其實佢而家唔知我噏緊乜，因為佢唔識聽中文。好啦，咁而家咧就會有個normal conversation 啦，係咯，跟住就係講啲英文，我哋平時唔識聽嘅。好啦，第一個咧就係sex 啦，因為本身我哋係講 sex 嘅，但係咧其實就唔係 sex 喎，即係嗰個性嗰個 sex 就唔係 sex，咁係咧係 sex，isn't it？sex 係啦。咁第二個咧就好難嘅，第二個係咩啊？咁佢都聽唔明。第二個咧就係 crisps。 crisps crisps
No, cra.
Qua.
No, what you're saying, qua. Right. Say Christmas.
Christmas
Yeah,
crisps
crisps.
crisps crisps
Yeah, you need to pronounce like the C more.
yeah
So crisps.
crisps
Yeah. Okay, now say that quicker. Crisps.
crisps
Yeah, let's do it. Say it
oh
again.
really crisps
Yeah,
crisps.
yeah. Okay, it's better.
crisps crisps
Crisps.
yeah 好啦，咁第三個咧就係 weird
Weird. Right.
weird
Weird.
weird
Weird.
where
Da.
da
Weird.
weird
Weird.
weird
Yeah.
is it correct
Yeah.
Oh.
Say it again.
weird
No. Right. Okay.
Oh.
Weird.
weird
Yeah.
weird weird
Sounds the same. Weird. I think
oh
that.
really
Nah. Weird.
weird
Yeah.
weird oh,
Yeah.
God yeah so but she can speak Japanese isn't it
Yeah. Konnichiwa.
yeah nice okay yeah that's all 希望下次大家再見啦，bye。